I love drinking beer, I wake up, drink a beer. Everyone tells me to stop drinking beer. I ain't no quitter, I drink beer on the shitter. I drink beer when I drive, I drink just to feel alive. If I need a break from beer, I drink whiskey, ice cold, Jack Daniels in my F-150. God made me, God made you, God made TD, that's fucking cool. God made guns and F-150s. God made beer and God made whiskey. God made fishing, God made bump stock ammunition. He made me. Yeah, he made you. I need more beer, just one won't do. Sipping all day on that ice cold brew. I drink while I'm at work, I drink when I'm at church. I drank 4 beers, but I need 2 more. That's just my warm-up, cause I drink hardcore. Case of Bud Light in my big old truck. Cruising dirt roads, I don't give a fuck. God made me, God made you, God made TD, that's fucking cool. God made guns and F-150s. God made beer and God made whiskey. God made fishing, God made bump stock ammunition. He made me. He made you. I'm almost out of beer. I drank 24, time to hit store and get some more. I'm driving there drunk, I'm on my lap beer. I felt a little bump, probably just a deer. I get to the store, pull out my gun, I rob the liquor store, cause I ain't got funds. Heading back home with the bed filled with Bud Light. I think to myself, everything's alright. I got so much beer, it'll last me all night.